Okay guys, so here we are. I don't know, it's been a hectic day. I'm going to give you a rerun of it all. Woke up this morning at, I don't know, 5 something, 6. Took off, oh my goodness. Now Tim's calling me. I guess if you watched the last video, you know that's normal. Yes, sir.
You done?
No, of course I'm not done. I got another clutch to cut.
Oh, that's right.
So anyway, so I'm cutting the eggs. I'm going to tell you, I saw something weird that stick its head out. So let's see what it is.
Okay.
So, now you tell me how we have a patternless snake in this clutch.
Cool.
Hold on. What is it?
We already know what that is.
Okay, well what is it?
We bred the Lav Phantom Tiger to a double-head albino neck stripe, and he proved not to be. It was a pochette stripe. The Phantom.
Well, what's this snake?
I'm not looking at it. I don't know.
You should subscribe so you would be able to see it first.
It's got pattern. It's a Phantom. That's really weird Phantom. It's patternless on the back half. Just really fainted Phantom. I've never seen one like this. It'll probably get more color later. Wow. So it's an albino Phantom that's almost patternless on the back half.
Awesome.
So must be het straight. So let's see here. So we got there's a Phantom. Is there a tiger in this?
Yes.
Okay. So that's a tiger. There's a tiger Phantom and there's no sun or anything?
No.
Huh. That's a weird looking Phantom. It looks like a tiger. I guess just a tiger. So the one must be an albino tiger Phantom. The other one's a Phantom. So, and there's another albino Phantom. Hitting high on the albino Phantoms.
They all look healthy?
They all look good to me.
Good.
And there's another albino Phantom. Man, that looks like an albino golden Phantom. But it's like the other one, kinda. Man, that's like crazy. Oh, hey, guess what? Maybe we'll get lucky and get a paranormal. We got one normal. Oh, that one didn't make it, you guys. Look at that. So that one there should have been cut earlier. I just found them. You can see when the eggs look like this, that's never a good sign, like they could be drowning. But that one's already cut, so he's not drowned. That's a tiger. And there's another albino Phantom. You guys, you need an albino Phantom. Go to buy a reptile. And there's another tiger Phantom. It's the Phantom of the Opera Day. So, like I was starting to say the day, look at that. That's a gorgeous albino Phantom. Is it just one or two? That one looks more like a normal. That must be a non-tiger. And the other ones must be tiger because a tiger takes all the pattern out of the tail. It makes them almost look patternless. Look at that. There's a nice tiger Phantom. You can sure tell they're het stripe. Man. They're really cool, Tim. Let's see here. Another albino Phantom. What is this, like a 99% Phantom clutch? Kodam.
What color phase are they?
Labs, I think.
Labs.
Well, they don't look like white, so they're either purple or a lav.
Yeah.
They could be purples, but they're so faded it's hard to tell.
The Lav Phantoms, the purple Phantoms look like Lavs.
Yeah, one of them looks like a purple, and they all look the same. It just depends where you're looking at them.
Should be Lavs and purple.
So already there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 albino phantoms.
Nice.
So there you go, guys. You wonder why I open them up. There's why. There's another drowned one. And you see this one? This one looks in trouble. So, people always give me garbage about cutting the eggs. Now look at that. So there's 3 babies that have drowned in the egg. So that happens. It's not the first time, and it won't be the last. But there you go. A perfectly good baby. Had 3 cuts in its egg, and now it didn't make it. This one here never got a cut in its egg. For some reason, it didn't make it. My daughter's coughing. Tim's at home. My wife's out in the car. We filmed it with Faye's rug this morning. Checked out his Lambo. Let's see here. What do we got? Oh. Another albino phantom. Man, there's a lot of albino phantoms. Unfortunately, that's three babies. But now, by the looks of the eggs, I don't think anybody else is not going to make it. That's why, even though I needed her to leave right now, I cutting these eggs. They weren't cut yesterday.
I cut one, remember?
No, I know. I said none were cut yesterday.
Right.
So there's just a normal. So now we got a paranormal. Oh no, yeah, we got paranormals. Area 52s. Hey, guess what? I think we got a normal albino. A normal albino tiger, that is. So anyway, I'm going to get that phase video up. It's a good one. We had all kinds of cool animals. There's another phantom. Man, this is the highest phantoms I've ever seen in a clutch. It's like every other egg's a phantom. That is really cool. Whoa. What the heck? There's another beautiful albino phantom. It definitely purple. It's just that some of them, you just have to look at the nape of the neck. The rest of it looks loud, but they're not. But there's a lav tiger. How's that possible?
What do you mean?
Is-
Allowed to that purple.
Oh, okay. So there you go. So there are purple in labs.
Right.
There you go. That's a purple. That's a purple phantom. That's only 2 albinos that aren't albino phantoms. Look at that. Another phantom. Gee whiz. This clutch is like all phantoms.
Well, every other egg should be a phantom.
Yeah, well, there's a lot more than every other egg. I'm talking about, right now I'm looking at like 20 babies and only 2 of them are not phantoms.
Wow, that's good.
Whoa. Oh, good. That looked like a purple phantom, but it's just a tiger phantom that's really light. Phantom tiger. So, man, what have I got? What do I see? 4 normal snakes? 4 that aren't. Here we go. I think I should have shut up. There's a normal tiger albino. That's the second tiger albino. So phantom, 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 normal, phantom, phantom, normal, normal, phantom, 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 phantom. Yeah, nowhere near 50%.
Sounds more like 90%.
At least 80. We're gonna have to get a lot of normals and the rest of them to offset it. Phantom. There's a phantom tiger. Albino. There's a normal tiger. We got it. So what a ratio. Man, talking about a good ratio of phantoms and albino phantoms. So all these snakes here there is posset stripes, right?
Correct.
Yep. So they're posset genetic stripes. You guys have to check out the Mochino stripes we have. They're pretty awesome. And you're going to have to check out the 2 videos we just made today already. And you know what? We're going to make a 3rd video tomorrow, because check it out, you guys. Let's go check it out. Look at that. Oh yeah, living the dream. Prehistoric pet style. But the only question is, can I make a nest box? Can I make an egg box? Shoo! Okay, guys. Hope you're having a great day, great week. Tim's remote by phone. Say it. Adios.
Adios.
Anyway, peace out from Prehistoric Pets. Hope you guys are having fun. We're gonna do a full tour of our zoo, because it's all refreshed, redone, dialed in, and we're gonna do a whole bunch of fun stuff this week. And look at that, you can see the hole. She's showing you the hole in the wall. So peace out from Prehistoric Pets TV. We'll take you to the Reptile Zoo TV next week, guaranteed. Peace out.